Do you need a career coach to successfully change careers?
Changing careers can feel overwhelming. Many people wonder if hiring a career coach is essential for a smooth transition or if they can succeed on their own. In this video, we'll explore when a career coach is most helpful, what they actually do, and proven alternatives you can use if you prefer a DIY approach.
What does a career coach actually do?
A career coach provides guidance on setting goals, clarifying your strengths, and strategizing your job search. They offer support with crafting resumes, practicing interviews, and networking techniques. Coaches often help you identify skill gaps and navigate career uncertainties. Their experience can make the process more focused and less stressful, especially if you feel stuck or lack confidence.
When is hiring a career coach worth it?
A career coach is especially valuable if you're uncertain about your direction, making a major industry leap, or struggling to land interviews. They can accelerate your progress if you're short on time or want personalized expert advice. If you've tried on your own and haven't seen results, an outside perspective from a professional can make a big difference.
Are there effective DIY alternatives?
Absolutely. Many succeed without a coach. There are online courses, job boards, networking groups, and free career resources available. Informational interviews with industry professionals, volunteering, and leveraging LinkedIn are all powerful ways to explore new fields. Self-reflection tools, resume guides, and interview practice videos can also help you navigate the process on your own.
How do you decide if you need a career coach?
Ask yourself, have you defined your career goals? Are you making steady progress on your own? If you feel stuck, lack motivation, or need expert accountability, investing in a coach might be wise. If you're resourceful, motivated, and enjoy independent research, you may thrive with DIY methods. Both paths are valid. The right choice depends on your needs, timeline, and budget.